This is just scrap wood from this is my scrap bucket, and I just grabbed some scrap out of it. Nails and saws don't mix well. Yeah, Christmas tree. Scrap wood Christmas tree. Plywood.
Plywood. And on the top?
Pine.
Pine.
Or scrap wood. This is a scrap wood Christmas tree.
Ah.
This I'm going to paint white. This I'll paint green with some white.
Everything from the leftover, huh?
Mm-hmm. Leftover paint.
Good.
How does it look? This is drying pretty fast. Well, the tree's painted. Now I've got to let this green dry. It's on fire.
Oh. Nice.
Nothing very fancy. There you go.
What is it?
It is glitter that you glitter and glue together. Shake it up and then you apply it to the areas you want. And what this is silver. White will dry up and become invisible, and it just leaves silver glitter. Sort of basically what I did with the snowflake. Then I'm probably going to put, it's almost like a purple.
No red?
Maybe. I might want to put some of this silver just. Now let's let that dry and come back. Shouldn't take too long to dry. But let's see how it looks like after it dries. Adding glamour to the Christmas tree.
Grammar?
Glamour. Silver, there's gold, glimmer.
Oh, glimmer.
Colorful.
Colorful. You already done with this.
I took scrap from my bucket. I took some other scrap and simply I just put it on like this, cut it, and then I glued it and put one brad right here. A brad is a small nail. And then the next one, after I put it this way, and I kept alternating it down and down. And I just made straight cuts across the little piece of wood. And if you look here, you can see, here's one piece, here was another piece. Here was second piece, another piece, another piece, and the piece.
Oh, okay.